Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can create these dark cinematic effects and make your pictures look interesting. So let's get into Photoshop and see how it's done. Here's our image. Go to the adjustment layer and choose black and white. In the presets panel, choose high contrast blue filter. Adjust the sliders as per your image. Now change its blending mode to multiply and bring down its opacity to around 50. You can change it as per your image. Right click on the layer and choose blending options. Here, move the white slider of the underlying layer towards left. Press Alt or Option to break the slider and adjust it as per your image. When done, hit OK. Double click on black and white adjustment to adjust it further. And there you have an amazing dark cinematic effect applied to your image. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.